If you are over 60, you've probably noticed your body isn't responding the way it used to. Muscles that were once strong feel weaker, simple tasks take more effort, and recovery from even light activity seems to drag on. This gradual loss of muscle, called sarcopenia, affects nearly every senior, and it isn't just frustrating. It can change your independence, energy, and confidence. Most people assume the only way to fight it is with exercise and protein shakes. But what if there was another often overlooked solution sitting quietly on your plate? Imagine a single natural grain that can help rebuild lost muscle, support faster recovery, and give you more energy throughout the day. It's not just another health trend. Science shows it contains nutrients that stimulate muscle growth, improve protein absorption, and help your body repair itself more efficiently. Yet, surprisingly, most seniors have never heard of it. Many continue struggling with fatigue and weakness, unaware that something as simple as adding this grain could make a real difference in strength, mobility, and overall vitality. The truth is, your body still has the capacity to grow stronger, even in your 60s, but only if you give it the right tools. This grain isn't magic, but it's one of those rare natural foods that works quietly but powerfully, supporting your muscles and energy levels day after day. If you felt frustrated watching your body slow down, this simple addition could change everything, helping you reclaim strength, confidence, and the independence that comes with a truly healthy, resilient body. Grain number 1 on this journey to stronger, healthier muscles after 60 is quinoa. You may have seen it on supermarket shelves or in trendy health bowls, but few realize its full potential for aging muscles. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are the building blocks your muscles need to repair, grow, and maintain strength. For anyone facing the slow, frustrating decline of sarcopenia, this makes quinoa a powerful ally. Research shows that a diet rich in complete proteins can help stimulate muscle protein synthesis, giving your body the fuel it needs to rebuild and recover more effectively, even in your 60s. But the benefits don't stop there. Quinoa also contains magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and overall nerve function, helping your muscles respond quickly and efficiently. Iron, another key nutrient in quinoa, supports energy production and helps combat the fatigue that often accompanies muscle loss. And because quinoa is high in fiber, it aids digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. This combination makes quinoa not just a protein source, but a muscle-supporting, energy-boosting, whole food powerhouse that seniors often overlook. Many people assume that building muscle after 60 requires expensive supplements or strict diets, but adding quinoa to your daily meals is simple and practical. You can start your day with a warm breakfast bowl, mixing cooked quinoa with berries, a sprinkle of nuts, and a dash of cinnamon. At lunch, toss it into a colorful salad with roasted vegetables and a light dressing. For dinner, it can be a hearty side dish paired with lean protein, or even a plant-based main course. By making quinoa a consistent part of your meals, you're giving your muscles the nutrients they need without feeling like you're following a complicated regimen. It's easy to overlook quinoa because it doesn't come with flashy promises or marketing hype, yet its science-backed benefits are undeniable. The reality is, as we age, our bodies need more precise nutrition to counteract muscle loss, and this small grain delivers exactly that. If you've been struggling with daily fatigue, weaker arms, or slower recovery after minor activity, incorporating quinoa can start to shift that pattern. Over time, you may notice increased stamina, more confident movements, and the satisfaction of knowing you are actively supporting your body's strength from the inside out. The beauty of quinoa is that it empowers you to take control of your health in a way that feels natural and sustainable. It's not about dramatic workouts or extreme diets. It's about providing your muscles with the fuel they need to thrive, restoring your energy, and giving you the confidence to move through your day with less strain and more resilience. By embracing this complete protein and making it a simple part of your routine, you are not only protecting your muscles, but also investing in your independence, vitality, and the ability to enjoy life fully, even as you age. Grain number 2 on our journey to stronger muscles after 60 is oats, a humble food that holds surprising power for energy and recovery. Many of us think of oats simply as a breakfast staple, but the slow-digesting carbohydrates in oats provide a steady, sustained energy supply for your muscles throughout the day. Unlike sugar or refined carbs that spike blood sugar and leave you drained, oats release glucose gradually, keeping your body fueled for walking, light exercise, and even simple household tasks that can feel tiring as we age. For anyone facing the frustration of daily fatigue, this steady energy can make a noticeable difference in how active and independent you feel. Beyond carbohydrates, oats contain beta-glucan, a type of fiber that supports a healthy immune system while also helping to reduce inflammation in muscles and joints. Chronic inflammation is one of the silent culprits behind slower recovery, muscle soreness, and stiffness that often comes with aging. Antioxidants in oats further protect cells from damage, supporting overall muscle health and encouraging the body to repair itself more efficiently. Research suggests that these nutrients improve blood flow, ensuring that oxygen and essential nutrients reach your muscles when they need it most, which can speed recovery and reduce fatigue after even mild activity. Oats also play a crucial role at the cellular level. The mitochondria in your muscle cells, often called the energy batteries of the body, need consistent fuel to function well. Oats supply the nutrients and steady glucose that mitochondria thrive on, helping your muscles generate energy more effectively. This can mean the difference between finishing a walk feeling tired and sore or ending it with strength and stamina. It's a subtle shift, but over time, feeding your muscles the right fuel can help you feel younger, more capable, and more confident in your body's ability to move and recover. In practical terms, incorporating oats into your diet is simple and flexible. Start the day with a classic oatmeal bowl topped with nuts and a few berries for extra protein and antioxidants. Overnight oats are perfect for busy mornings, allowing you to prepare a nutrient-packed meal the night before. Smoothies blended with oats can provide a quick, digestible source of energy before light exercise or chores, ensuring your muscles are nourished when they need it most. The key is consistency. Skipping oats may not seem significant in the short term, but over weeks and months, missing this nutrient-rich grain can mean slower recovery, less energy, and a more noticeable struggle with daily activity. By making oats a regular part of your meals, you are not just eating a simple breakfast food, you are supporting your muscles, protecting your energy levels, and giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong and resilient. This small everyday choice can help you reclaim vitality, reduce fatigue, and move through life with a sense of control and confidence, even as you navigate the natural changes that come with aging. Oats may seem ordinary, but for your muscles, they are quietly extraordinary. Grain number 3 is buckwheat, a hidden gem that many seniors have never tried, yet it offers remarkable benefits for muscles and overall health. Unlike many common grains, buckwheat is naturally gluten-free and packed with protein, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain or rebuild strength after 60. What truly sets buckwheat apart is its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly rutin, a compound that research shows can reduce inflammation, strengthen blood vessels, and improve circulation. This matters because better blood flow means more nutrients and oxygen reach your muscles, helping them repair and grow stronger, while also easing the aches and stiffness that can make daily movement uncomfortable. Inflammation is one of the silent forces behind slower recovery and persistent soreness, and rutin directly combats this. By supporting your vascular health, it also helps your muscles receive the essential building blocks they need after activity, whether it's a short walk, light strength training, or household chores. Buckwheat's benefits extend beyond antioxidants. It's rich in manganese and magnesium, minerals that are vital for proper muscle contraction and relaxation, preventing cramps and promoting smoother, more efficient movement. Its fiber content further aids digestion, ensuring that your body absorbs nutrients from all the foods you eat, including the other muscle-supporting grains in your diet. In practical terms, buckwheat is incredibly versatile. You can start the day with a warm porridge, flavored with cinnamon, and a handful of nuts, creating a satisfying meal that fuels your muscles and keeps energy steady. Buckwheat pancakes offer a delicious alternative for breakfast or brunch, while grain bowls incorporating cooked buckwheat, roasted vegetables, and lean protein can serve as a nutrient-dense lunch or dinner. These simple meal ideas make it easy to consistently include buckwheat in your diet, allowing your muscles to benefit day after day without complicated cooking or special supplements. Many seniors overlook buckwheat because it isn't as common as rice or oats, yet the science is clear. Its combination of antioxidants, protein, and essential minerals makes it a powerful tool against sarcopenia and inflammation-related aches. Adding it to your meals is not just about nutrition, it's about giving your body the resources it needs to move, recover, and maintain independence. Pairing buckwheat with other grains like quinoa or oats multiplies the benefits, creating a balanced approach to muscle health that addresses strength, energy, and recovery simultaneously. By embracing buckwheat, you are taking an active step toward protecting your muscles and reducing inflammation naturally. It's a small but meaningful change that can transform how you feel day to day, making movement easier, recovery faster, and your body stronger from the inside out. Even if aches and fatigue have become a routine part of life, consistently including buckwheat in your meals can help you reclaim energy, resilience, and confidence, proving that age does not have to define your strength or your independence. Grain number 4 is amaranth, an ancient seed that has been nourishing humans for thousands of years, yet many seniors have never tried it. Don't be fooled by its tiny size. Amaranth is packed with protein, lysine, and a variety of micronutrients that work together to support muscles, bones, and connective tissue. Unlike more common grains, amaranth offers a unique profile of amino acids, especially lysine, which plays a critical role in collagen production. Collagen isn't just for skin, it's essential for strong muscles, tendons, and ligaments, helping your body stay resilient and reducing the risk of strains or injuries as you age. For anyone noticing stiffness, slower recovery, or difficulty with everyday movements, this makes amaranth an unexpected ally. Beyond lysine, amaranth contains minerals that create a strong synergy between muscles and bones. Calcium supports bone density, magnesium aids muscle contraction and relaxation, and phosphorus contributes to energy production and cellular repair. Together, these nutrients help your muscles perform better, recover faster, and work in harmony with your skeleton, which is particularly important after 60, when both muscle and bone mass naturally decline. Regularly including amaranth in your meals can help you maintain mobility, reduce post-activity soreness, and move through your day with more confidence and stability. Amaranth is also surprisingly versatile in the kitchen, making it easy to incorporate into daily life without complicated recipes. Start with a warm breakfast porridge, topped with fruit and a sprinkle of nuts for additional protein and antioxidants. You can add cooked amaranth to soups, where it thickens the broth and delivers steady nutrition with every spoonful. It also works well as a side dish, paired with vegetables, lean protein, or even other grain, creating a balanced, muscle-supporting meal. Small, consistent additions like these can feel effortless, but over time, they provide your muscles and connective tissue with the nutrients they need to stay strong and resilient. What's remarkable about amaranth is how it combines simplicity with science-backed benefits. Many seniors overlook it because it isn't widely promoted, yet its protein, lysine, and mineral content make it a natural supplement in seed form. By embracing this ancient grain, you're giving your muscles and bones the building blocks to recover faster, move more easily, and regain confidence in daily activities. Even small, steady changes, like adding a cup of amaranth porridge a few times a week, can lead to noticeable improvements in strength and mobility, reminding you that age doesn't have to define your body's potential. Amaranth is a reminder that powerful health tools can come in unexpected forms. Tiny seeds can support mighty muscles, restore energy, and enhance resilience, all while fitting naturally into your meals. Including this grain is more than a dietary choice. It's an investment in your independence, your confidence, and your ability to keep moving freely. By making amaranth a part of your routine, you're taking another step towards stronger muscles, healthier connective tissue, and a body that feels capable and alive no matter your age. Grain number 5, completing our 5-grain solution for stronger muscles after 60, is millet. Often overlooked in modern kitchens, millet is a versatile grain with powerful benefits for endurance, recovery, and long-term muscle health. What makes millet so valuable is its ability to provide steady energy while supporting your muscles at a cellular level. Packed with magnesium, antioxidants, and B vitamins, it fuels energy metabolism, helping your muscles perform efficiently and recover faster after even light activity. For seniors noticing fatigue during walks, chores, or exercise, millet offers a natural way to keep energy levels consistent and resilience high. Oxidative stress is one of the silent contributors to muscle decline, gradually wearing down fibers and slowing recovery. Antioxidants in millet help neutralize harmful molecules, protecting mitochondria, the energy powerhouses inside your muscle cells, so your body can produce energy more effectively. Magnesium supports proper muscle contraction and relaxation, reducing stiffness and improving mobility, while B vitamins ensure that your energy production pathways remain strong, allowing you to stay active without feeling drained. These benefits work together to preserve strength, promote endurance, and maintain independence, all of which are crucial as we navigate the natural changes of aging. Millet is also incredibly flexible in the kitchen, making it easy to add to your meals without disrupting your routine. A warm millet porridge in the morning, lightly seasoned with cinnamon and nuts, provides a slow-burning energy source to start your day. Millet salads with vegetables, beans, or lean protein create a nutrient-dense lunch that supports muscle repair and sustains stamina. For dinner, a hearty millet grain bowl can replace rice or pasta, delivering essential minerals and antioxidants alongside fiber-rich vegetables. By incorporating millet regularly, you are consistently giving your muscles and mitochondria the support they need to recover, strengthen, and function optimally. What sets millet apart is its role as the final piece in the 5-grain puzzle. While quinoa, oats, buckwheat, and amaranth provide protein, antioxidants, and minerals to build and repair muscle, millet ensures that your muscles receive steady energy and long-term protection from oxidative stress. Skipping this grain could mean missing out on a critical aspect of muscle maintenance, leaving you more susceptible to fatigue, slower recovery, and reduced endurance. Including millet completes the system, ensuring that your muscles are fueled, protected, and capable of performing throughout the day. By embracing millet, you are taking a comprehensive approach to muscle health after 60. It's more than a grain. It's a tool to enhance energy, support recovery, and protect your mobility for years to come. With small practical additions like millet porridge, salads, or grain bowls, you can create meals that nourish your muscles from the inside out. This simple, natural choice empowers you to maintain strength, independence, and confidence, showing that even as your body ages, you can take control and build resilience through thoughtful, science-backed nutrition. To recap, these 5 grains, quinoa, oats, buckwheat, amaranth, and millet, each bring unique science-backed benefits to support muscle strength, energy, recovery, and mobility after 60. Quinoa builds complete protein for muscle repair, oats fuel steady energy and support mitochondria, buckwheat reduces inflammation and improves nutrient delivery, amaranth strengthens connective tissue and bones, and millet protects muscles from oxidative stress while sustaining endurance. Integrating these grains into your daily meals, alongside gentle exercise like walking, light resistance training, or stretching, can multiply their effects, helping you move more confidently and recover faster. Start small, make consistent choices, and watch how your body responds. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and share your experiences, subscribe for more tips, and check our related videos for additional strategies to maintain strength and independence. Remember, small changes today mean stronger, healthier muscles tomorrow, and every step you take brings you closer to a more resilient, energetic, and capable body.